Amen. God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Amen. Oh God, push me into my knees to heal hernia through yoga. Push me into my knees to browse hernia unto the devilish satire. Amen. Hernia means outer protrusion of viscera or the intestine. Sliding, rolling or combined displacement of the internal organ. When our stomach muscles get weak, internal part of the stomach pops outward, forming an abnormal swelling by opening the weak portion of the belly muscle. If the intestine enters into the inguinal region, it is called inguinal hernia. Umbilical hernia is outward bulging of abnormal lining around the belly button. Hiatus hernia is a protrusion of stomach through the esophageal opening of the diaphragm. In femoral hernia, the intestine pops out in the femoral area of the lower belly. Incisional hernia occurs in an area of incompletely healed surgical wound, and diaphragmatic hernia is a birth defect in which there is an abnormal opening in the diaphragm. Amen. Gymnasts, horse riders, joggers, athletes or weightlifters can have hernia due to gravitational push of the viscera against the belly wall. Even common cough can aggravate pain due to weakness of belly tissue. In cycling, boxing, jumping, climbing, dancing and golfing. Surgery in hernia is a course in medical science and is practiced to increase the economic activity of the hospital, of the surgeon, of the middleman, of the equipment. These are the economic activities benefited by the surgery in hernia. Surgery pushes the rich to the richest. Surgery of stitching a mesh in the belly muscle is pushing the luck for the rich, and surgery is pulling the curse for the poor. Surgery for hernia is peeling the pannier, a poker's parody, and is the ultimate trivia game for the poor. types of hernia. In yoga, we pull the intestine and internal organs by tightly shutting the rectum upwards, thereby reducing the pressure of viscera on the belly muscle. Yoga is useful in strengthening the belly muscle also. Yoga posture should be performed in freely inhaling and exhaling condition. And every yoga should be associated with a meditation. Yoga should not be used for acquiring sex potential or muscle potential or muscle strength. While performing any yoga posture, keep the mind clean from all worries and thoughts. Savasana or dead rest posture is mandatory after performing every yoga posture. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 17, text 5 and 6, Sri Krishna says that abnormal performance of any yogic activity leaves only devilish motive. Asastra vihitam ghoram tapyante ye tapah janaha damba ahankara samyuktaha kamaraga bala anvitaha kasyantah sarirastam bhutagramam asetasaha chahayeva antaha tan viddhi asura nischayan. Om. Simple yoga is a natural, ancient, long-term hernia treatment without surgery and can be practiced by everyone easily. Everyone can perform yoga for hernia while you sit at home, while you sit at work, while you drive, while you cook, while you watch TV, and while you walk in the road. Just by upward pull of viscera, concentrating on oxygenating every nerve, every cell in the body. Oxygenation nourishes, activates, tones up and strengthens the weak belly tissue. Thus you can control hernia. You can control the popping of intestine outside the belly muscle.